Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Ford Transit. If we go over to iTunes here, you'll see at the bottom there the red triangle with the 3 red circles. It says Ford Transit. If you don't see Ford Transit there for any reason, just click on it and you'll see, make sure it's showing up in the screen. If it's not, go back and make sure Bluetooth is ticked. If iPhone's on, all you have to do is, just tick that. Right, so we'll go back to, it must have thought I said hey SIRI. Okay, so we've got a tune playing here. We'll turn it down. You've no need to turn it down. I'm only doing it so it don't play too long and then become a copyright issue with YouTube. And then we go to the musical note symbol on here. Click on that. It's showing there the tune that's playing on my radio. If it's not, see there, you just may need to click it a couple of times if you've got anything in the auxiliary or the USB, but that's it there. I'll turn that up, and then if I turn it up on here, you'll hear it just to confirm it's playing, but I'll turn it down very quickly. That's it. That's how you do it. Simple and easy system to use. As with everything that, to be fair, that Ford do, it's always proper. Thanks for watching.